Dreadlocks killing my estimated time of arrival. My hand's been tapping on the steering wheel the past couple miles. Yeah, my mother taught me patience, but I really wanna see your smile. And I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna wait. Someday soon I'm gonna buy you a brand new car, a big house with a swimming pool in the backyard. Yes, it seems that these dreams no longer please, 'cause they come too late, if they come at all. Wait, I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna wait. Just a messed up somewhere down the line. My old man told me, son, you better watch the back nine. Yes, I know that I should earn this, but all I ever earn is shame. And I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna. Car, babe, I've got the money. Don't ask me where it came from, we gotta go, honey. Don't beg too heavy, don't complicate it. We'll buy things on the way, don't make me wait.